Welcome back to Q&A Tuesday, where you ask me questions and I answer them. If it's your first time on this channel, my name is DevanOnDeck, and here I'm all about, well, you. On this channel, I teach you how to create better content, be more successful on social media, how to dress better, how to be more confident, just help you brand yourself in real life and online. So if that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you to join the YouTube family. If you're already a part of the family but you're not getting notifications, make that happen. Hit that bell icon and you'll get one every time I post a video. Today's question comes from Bethlehem the producer via Instagram, and he says, I'm a rapper trying to get big at my university. How do I get people to go from my Instagram post or story to listen to my music? Well, thank you so much for your question, my good sir, and your answer comes in 3 parts. First on this list, whether you're a singer, rapper, producer, songwriter, you gotta make dope music. Obviously. And as artists, I think we make the mistake of sharing our work with our family and our friends, expecting a real, true, blunt response. But you're not gonna get that. It's always gonna have a little bit of cushion to it because they love you. So here's the way you test it for real to really see if your music's dope. Get in the car with somebody, right? When you get the aux cord, or maybe you like kicking it with your friends and music is playing and you're controlling the music, you throw on a few songs that everybody knows, and without saying anything, do not prep anybody, don't say nothing, and just play your song also, or the song you produced, or the song you wrote. Just play it. Don't say anything to anybody. Just kind of look around the room. Is anyone dancing? Is anyone moving? Or is anyone saying, yo, who is this? If they ask that question, your music's dope. If they don't, then it's not. Number 2 on this list, you have to know your hook. And as far as hooks go, I've already made a video about this about a year ago, so you might have missed it. And in case you did, I have a little card slide out right here. Go ahead and tap it. But just like a hook to a song is the backbone, like the most important thing to make it catchy, to make it go, to make it popular, your hook for your brand is also the number 1 thing for you. And also, like a musical hook, it needs to be something that's easy to remember, easy to know you by, easy to digest immediately. So what is it about you at a very shallow level that people are attracted to? Is it your looks? Is it your personality? Is it your way with words? I mean, I know I'm sounding really shallow right now, but I mean it. These are things that actually work for people to get them attention. But just look around and kind of see what other people are doing and see what works for you. And number 3, speaking of what works for you, I want you to look outside of music for that inspiration to really find that hook. I think it's really important to have a personal brand that is bigger than just music. And I'll give you a perfect example of somebody who's in music but used inspiration from a whole nother genre on Instagram to make it happen. Now this guy you're looking at right here is Blvd 4000. He's from Oakland, just like me, you feel me? And this dude has been trying to get into music for a while, and if you know about him, then you know that a year ago, nobody really knew who he was. He had a good following on Twitter, but not like he does on Instagram. Now he's verified, he's over 100,000 subscribers. In like less than a year, he made that happen. And why? Because he took notes from comedy. If you look at this guy's videos, and I'll show you one in a second, he's like a good mix between like Joanne the Scammer, then almost a little bit of Down Goes Frazier, if you look at like comedy people. And he's also like super like overly confident in a cocky way that doesn't turn you off. It's a weird thing, like it pulls you closer, it kind of works for him, but he found his lane, and really that's just him. He's not playing a character. I know him personally, that's really him. But no one else in music is really doing that. It's kind of a format that's outside of him. Just like me, I started making really dope video content that was totally outside the box for fashion. That's how I got my attention. So how can you be outside the box? How can you do something different? But anyway, enough about me. I'm gonna show you one of the video just so you know what I'm talking about.
Hey, I'm Blvd 4000, and I don't care about current events if they don't directly affect me because I'm selfish. I don't care if Kylie Jenner had a baby. I didn't care if she was pregnant. I don't care who won the Super Bowl. I just wanted an excuse to eat sriracha flavored Alexander Wang chicken wings. A lot of people reach out to me and they say, Blvd, you drink a lot of Hennessy. What about your health? Like, you need to be healthy. First of all, I don't need to be healthy. Healthy needs to be me. But I did kind of take your kind words of advice, and then I recently downgraded from the 5th of Hennessy to the little pint. So look, Hennessy, and then what? Ooh, water. Health.
So there you go. Right now, you either like them or you don't like him immediately. You know right away. But either way, look at his engagement, look at his likes, look at his comments, look at his views. People are actually reacting to that, and it's working well for him. So I guess it's a bonus number 4. Look who's already working for you well, that you see that's going well for you, and tie that into your music somehow. Oh, and I almost forgot, you're at a university. So here we go, number 6. You're at a college, bro. A lot of people there that throw parties and do things like that. Like, involve yourself in a party, get to know some DJs, DJ a party and mix your music in there. Figure out ways to use the university environment to grow as an artist and be known more. Be known as the guy who makes dope music there, right? But again, all this stuff that I'm teaching you, that I'm telling you right now, hinges on you having great music, okay? If I do swipe up and open a link on your Instagram and listen to your music and it's not dope, I'm never opening it again, period, right? If you watch one of my videos and you didn't get value, you wouldn't keep swiping up and keep tapping the links on my videos when I put them out. I'm putting out fire, that's why I'm getting views and likes and all that shit, right? So that's what you need to do. Focus on that product, but also do all the things I talked about in this video. So if you enjoyed this video, give your guy a thumbs up. Go ahead and give this video a like. I really greatly would appreciate it. Any more questions for me? Anything you want me to answer? This is Q&A, baby, every Tuesday. Go ahead and put a question in the comments, and if you haven't subbed yet, make that happen. I appreciate your time as always, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.